Oh, there we go. Ah, exactly what I was looking for. As you can see here, it's one of the females, the darker colored one that they're all on. Pretty cool stuff. Oh yeah. They don't have queens like regular bees, which I learned this yesterday, or like honey bees. I did not know that. Oh, it's so cool. And they're just doing their thing, and you can see how small they are compared to my finger. Feeling like I'm busting their hustle. She's like, get away from me. Good girl. Ah. Let me see if I can help her. Here, help you, my queen. My queen, fly, my queen, fly. Oh, she did. She flew off me and she's got somebody on her butt. That's pretty cool. Oh, there she is. Fighting for her life. Get this freaking guy off of me.